So I'm going to show you my Christmas present. This is money, but I bought it for my husband, so I decided to buy a bag for myself since I have no MK and I don't have black like crossbody bag. So just for go to the church or a special occasion, so I decided to buy this. So this is the MK, that one, and this is that one, just like that. And you do this one. Let's see the compartment inside. Just a small body bag. So what I like about it, you can use it for in a formal occasion or even in the like day out and you wear jeans. Seen it, Carl? Because look at this, it's a gold. I never have a gold sling, so
First time.
so basically this is my fourth MK, I think. Fourth or no, third, because I have the traveling bag, like, and I have the, look at this. Oh no, this is my fourth, yeah, because the big one, and I have a backpack. And look at this, so cute. Do you like it, Carl?
Yeah, it looks good.
So it's 250, 225. So I bought it in half price. So that's it. I just share for you. So cute. Very cute. I like it there. That's it. And he had a dust bag too. My dust bag pala. So I forgot the name of it, but this is for traveling. A nice color. So nilagay ko pang my backpack, and this is my third one. And as what I showed you earlier. So itong dalawa, this two is no dust bag because I bought it in a designer outlet in the UK. And this one, I have meron itong dust bag, pero guys, when I lost it back home because ang tanga ko kasi when I first used this 2016. Ang tagal na nito guys, but still because I look after it. I accidentally brought it and nawala. Baka kinuha yun. Nawala siya. So, sayang. Anyway, sometimes you need to just put it open. And then I don't have like a specific drawer for my bag because too much things and you know, I just put it a bit of like at the top of the drawer in my room. That's it. I'm not bragging off, but I love MK because ito lang kasi ang ma-afford, and then ano siya guys, they have so much selection and durable talaga siya yung leather niya. So guys, ito na siya. Look, my Kipling, my DKNY, and then the recent I buy, and my MK. And then this is my Calvin Klein. And I have this long champ. Basically, I have the pink ones and nawala. So, and I have this Coach. That's my Coach, this one. And this is my Kate Spade. Sa traveling bag as well, malaki siya. This is my Guess. Di ko siya bihirang ginagamit kasi guys, mabigat siya. I'm planning to give this. So, yun. Matagal na itong Longchamp ko. 2015. At saka ito. So, I look after them. Ito last year. Yung MK ko last year ko siya binili. At saka yung ito. I think I don't need to buy now. Because durable naman siya. And then, I think this is enough. Sana. Actually guys, I have a big Kipling. Ito. I have a big Kipling. Dami kong Kipling guys. Even I have that use every day. Mas malaki dito. So, and the thing is, parang is, I have ano pa, parang peach, nandun pa. Bigay ko din yun. Parang hindi ko na siya bit. Yung Kipling ko talaga nga malaki, parang traveling din siya. Binigay ko sa sister ko. Ang Kipling is quite good, don't get me wrong. Pero parang yung texture niya, parang ayoko na sa kanya. But I keep this small one. Kasi cute din siya, pang terno ba. And ang dami kong Kipling na nabigay sa Pinas, siguro mga 4. Kasi pag sale ang Kipling, half price, marami ka ding maano. And yeah. And this guess I'm going to buy this. I'm going to give it because it's ano siya guys, parang mabigat siya. Although hindi naman ako pumili nito, one of my friend, very ano siya, ito pang ano ko, hindi naman yung ano sa airport hand carry, whatever they said. And ang gaan niya. Tapos ang laki nito guys, grabe ito kalaki. Ano kaya ito, mga 300, nearly 400 if you bought this pounds. But I think I bought it her prices all. So ito naman yung mga iba namang bag ko is gift ito eh. Ito gift sa husband ko, gift niya. And this one no, gift niya is ano yun, gift niya. I think this one. And yeah, that's it. Oh, yung ano, yung Coach ko. I have Coach one. So, because before I was working, mas maganda kung ano, bumili kayo ng bag na. Ayaw ko kasi I'm not being fussy. Mas maganda maliit lang ang bag mo at durable. Kasi, we have a small house naman. Here in the UK, maliit ang mga bahay dito. Then, where's nobody, no place to put, and I don't like makalat na kwarto guys. So gusto ko siyang gusto ko nga anuhin ito gusto siya ng pero minsan kasi pag nandun parang hindi mo nagagamit palagi. Kasi ako naman minsan guys, minsan I'm just like, it depends the mood. Sometimes hindi ako magpalit-palit ng bag kasi parang minsan nakakapagod and you need to put back again. And kung ano lang ang trip ko, pero minsan naman sa summer, it depends, that's what I said to you, it depends what you wear. Minsan pero ito at least may dalawang pang travel na ako na pag if you go abroad. Mas maganda kasi pag malaki ang bag. Pero sayang ko, di ko na siya ginamit, nasira siya guys. Mahal kaya ito guys, 150 pounds yun. This is 7,000 back home. I don't know. Maybe. Kasi large ito This is large guys. And then, sa tanga ko, nilabhan ko kasi. Tapos nalimutan ko to yung sleeve. Nababad ko ito. Inatanggal yung, parang nagiging dito guys. Na-melt yung leather niya. Sayang. Pero I think, I can still use this. Pero nasayang na ako. Ang ganda pa naman ang kulay. Laki nito guys. I think I bought it like 100 pounds. Pero 150 ito. Kasi large. No? Ang tanga ko. But never mind. Mahiya naman din akong ibigay ko yun. Kasi may sira na. Ayoko ding ibigay. Kahit tanong nakakahiya din. So, that's it for now. I'm not bragging. I'm just sharing you. Na mas maganda pag pag bumili ka ng bag, yung you can use it. ng matagalan. Kasi, pag tumanda na ako, ayaw ko nang bumili. Ang ano ko na lang, mag-holiday na lang ako. Ayaw ko nang magpundar ng ano. Kasi yung mga anak ko, mga lalaki, so mapunta sa biyanin ko, ang bago. Although, hindi naman siya luxury ba? Still a branded one. So, hindi naman lahat nakakabili. We're very lucky here na. Dito kasi sa ibang bansa, guys, ang dali lang bumili kasi pag ipunan mo, kaunti-unti, makabili ka naman. And hindi naman ako hindi ko talaga I just bought this recently kasi ang tagal ko naghanap ng bag na parang pang di ba ang cute niya, guys? Ng black. Kasi yung black, you can match any outfit, any color. And then, minsan pag may nakita ako, yung nakita din ako, yung Kate Spade na black din na body bag. And those time, parang, I don't have parang ang hirap ipilit pag hindi naman siya kailangan talaga ng, ito naman, gift naman sa Christmas. So, thank you for watching. That's it. I'm not bragging. I'm just sharing.